Hello guys, welcome back in the course. In this lecture I will tell you how you can submit your sitemap to Google Webmaster Tools, which is now Google Search Console. Before it was Webmaster Tools, now it is Google Search Console. So how you can send, when you create your website and you post some content like the initial content 5 to 10 posts, then you should submit your sitemap. That is very necessary because Google will know how many posts you have, how many links you have in actually the entire site map of your site. So just you need to go and write Google Search Console and enter. You will get this page, Google Search Console. Click that. This was Google Webmaster Tools before. You just need to log in with your with your Gmail account. You just need a Gmail account here, and after that basically you can simply go and click add a property. This option you will see here if you want to add your site. So click this option and then just put the URL of your site without HTTP, just www.yoursite.com, and then click continue. First you will have to add your site, then you can submit your sitemap. So when you add your link there, it will give you some options. For example, because you have to verify the ownership of your site, so you will have to either upload an HTML file or you can use a meta tag to verify your site. But the HTML method is very easy. Just in 4 steps you can complete it. Just click download this HTML file, click it and download it, save it somewhere. I will save it on my desktop, and then you have to upload this to the main directory of your site, this site which we are adding right now. So I will go to the cPanel. You should go to the cPanel and find file manager, then select that site which you want to verify. Go there, and in the main folder just click actually there on the main folder, just go there and click upload and upload that file which we just downloaded from Google's page. So that file will be here on my desktop. This is the file. We'll open it. So it has been uploaded. Now we'll close this and we'll come back to the Google Search Console and click verify. You can also use alternate methods which are meta tag method, but this is also very easy, like we downloaded and uploaded the file. But you can also click this alternate methods. If you don't want to add the recommended method, then you can use this HTML tag, which is a meta tag. You have to copy this simple tag and go to your WordPress, click appearance and then editor, and inside the editor you can just go to header to find header.php file. You will see on the top here header.php. Inside this header tag, before the head tag, you can paste this tag here and then click verify. I'm actually telling you both the methods, but we have done the recommended method, which was uploading the HTML file. Now I will click verify. When I click verify, it is saying congratulations, you have successfully verified the ownership of this website. So I will say click continue. Now here, after continuing this, you will see here sitemaps. Why submit a sitemap? This option is here because we don't have anything, we have nothing here, no data, so we can add our sitemap to this. For that we will click this for that we can, for adding a sitemap, we can go to crawl option, and there we will find an option called sitemaps. We can click that, and then here we can add a sitemap for this site which we just added to Google Search Console, and we have verified that as well. Now we can add a sitemap. Sitemap has all the posts, the links in the entire structure of your site. So basically how you can create the sitemap. If you are using WordPress and you are using the Yoast SEO plugin, and then just go to the Yoast SEO plugin and click Gmail sitemaps. And here you will find the sitemap file for your site. Yes, this is the link, Gmail sitemap. When you click this, it will create the sitemap for you. Just copy this and paste it here. Click add test sitemap and paste this URL here. Just I will remove the address because the address is already there, and click submit sitemap. Sitemap underscore index.xml. So this is for WordPress. If you are using Blogger, then you can submit that as well, and for that you can find tutorials on the internet how to submit Blogger sitemap. There are many tools out there on the internet. But if you have a website which is just custom website like e-commerce or like manually built site, then you can use this website, Gmail's XML sitemaps. Yes, XML sitemaps. This is a website where you can create sitemap for any type of website. Just write your website name here and click start. So it will create a sitemap for you and will give you the address of the sitemap, which you have to actually, it will give you a file which you have to upload to your this cPanel, the main directory of your site, like we did for the Google verification code. You have to add that sitemap to this area, to main directory of your site, and then also submitting that link here using the Google Search Console. So basically, in this lecture I was just telling you that how you can submit your sitemap to Google Webmaster Tools, and when you submit your sitemap, you will see something like this. I can show you right now for a website I have here, like this one, for which I have, I can show you this sitemap here. You will see something like this. When your sitemap has been processed by Google, you will see like how many web pages you submitted and how many are indexed here in Google, how many images have been indexed, how many videos have been indexed, and things like that. So this is all done within the Google Search Console. So that's it. This is now creating the sitemap for any custom website you have. But if you have WordPress and using Yoast SEO plugin, then there is already an option for creating a Gmail XML sitemap. But if you are not using Yoast SEO plugin, then you can basically use Google XML sitemaps plugin. Just search that in in WordPress dashboard and you will find that. So I hope you got this lecture, and do submit your sitemap to Google Search Console because that is very necessary, and you will get visitors after you submit your sitemap, and that when you submit your sitemap, Google will index all of your pages and will quickly crawl your site. And one more thing, you should verify both of your sites. You should add both of your sites to Google, both version of the sites. For example, if you add a site with www.yoursite.com, you add this also, and also one without www, like yoursite.com. You should add both of the versions of your site to Google Search Console and verify both of them. So this way you can then select an option, many options inside the Google Search Console for using and for better optimization. So this was just a simple lecture for submitting sitemap to Google, but we have a complete section for understanding this whole Google Webmaster Tools or Search Console. See you in the next lecture.